page of our website, Dreams Houses. Here you can see an example of one of the houses, and here they greet you, and well, another picture of the people doing working on it, and some messages here. Also, not more messages. We say it's completely sustainable, etc. Then the second page is about us. And here we talk about the company. How long ago was it? Did it start? Our like vision and mission. What do we do, and what are we? What do we like? Here's a photo of one of our founders, Giovanna. Then there's projects. The projects are the luxury and the standard. There's a little description. Then there are the deals. There's two deals we've done: the package, furniture package, and the discount. Here's a brief description. Then there is the photos, like the gallery, some of the insides and some of the outsides of the houses, of the dreams houses. We also have the contact page. Here's the mail, the phone, the opening hours, and here there's a way you can put your name, email, and a message and send it to us. Then there's location. Here you can see there's a location of our headquarters in Brazil and the address. We also have a page on sustainability, because sustainability is one of our most important things. We have bits of wildlife, our lungs, which are the Amazon, and the renewable materials we use. And finally, the customer reviews. These are examples of the reviews and the photos of the people reviewing it.